Okay, so now you understand what the Caldera precision dosing is and how it works. But the real question is this something you actually need? And here's the thing. This really isn't about technology. It's about how you want to own your hot tub. Some people actually enjoy managing their water. They like testing, adjusting, learning the system. And there's nothing wrong with that. But most people just want their hot tub to be easy. They want to relax, not constantly think about water care. And today, you really have a choice. You can keep using test strips and constantly stressing about your water, or you can start listening to what your hot tub is telling you and just enjoy using it. This system is a great fit for first time hot tub owners, busy families, or anyone who wants a more hands off experience. If you enjoy managing your water and you don't mind the routine, you may not need this system. And that's okay, because the best hot tub is the one you actually use. For most people, this means less testing, less guessing, less stress, and more time soaking. And just like I always say, just because you have a smart system doesn't mean you stop paying attention. It just means you have more help. If you want to learn more about water care or finding the right spa, I've got more videos right over here. Thanks for letting me help you become a happy hot tubber.